This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mesquite, Texas, 75150 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Dallas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 9 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.